Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove the background from the image using Photoshop. Watch the video till the very end because at the end I will show you one website wherein you can remove the background of the image without use of Photoshop and you can do it within seconds. But for now, let's see how to remove the background from image using Photoshop. First open Photoshop and then click on File, then click on Open to open the image where you want to remove the background. Now once the image gets open, just click on Quick Selection tool and select the option as Add to Selection. We are going to use this option so that we are going to select the part of the image that we want to keep. You can also change the size. Now drag over the image. Now drag over the part of the image which the part you want to keep. So do it carefully and just select the entire part that you wish to keep in your image. So if you make any mistake, then you can use the other option as subtract from the selection and you can just remove that part. Okay, so as you can see, now I have selected the image part that I want to keep. Now click on Select option and hold the Shift key and then click on Refine Edge. On this pop-up, click on Refine Radius tool and then keep the other option as it is. Now you can use the cursor as a paintbrush. Now you can change the size and then drag over the edge of the image to remove any unwanted part. Now just do it carefully. Now here some part of the background is remaining, so I am just going to remove this part. Just use it as a paintbrush only. And as you can see, the unwanted part is already removed. On the hair some part is already there. So just draw on the edges to remove the unwanted part. And now it looks good. Okay, some part here is remaining. Okay, so that's it. Now once you feel like everything is done, just click on OK button. And now on the selection part, right click the image and then click on Layer via Copy. So it will create a new layer with the selected image part. Okay, as you can see, the new layer is created. Now if you hide the original image, now you can see now our image background has been removed. Now the image is transparent. Now if you want to change the background, just click on Create New Layer. Now drag this layer below our transparent image. Now select the color of your choice. I will select the yellow color. Now click on Paint Bucket tool and just click on the layer. Now as you can see, the background of the image is changed. Now this one is our original image and now this one is the image that we changed just now. Now open browser and go to remove.bg. I will provide the link to this website in the description section. Now click on Upload Image button on the home page. Now select the image from which you want to remove the background. as it is saying that maximum file size is 12 MB. So make sure that your image file size is less than 12 MB. Now on the home page, click on upload image. Now click on the image and then click on open button. Now within seconds, you will find that the background of the image is removed and you will get a transparent image. Now you can see this is the original image and this one is the image from the removed background. So this is how you can use this website to remove the background from any image, and you can do this within seconds. So just click on download button. If you want to download in HD, I think you need to take their premium plan. So you can go with the download button and you can get this image with a good quality. So just click on download button and just save the file to your PC. Now when I open this image, as you can see, now the image is transparent and the background is completely removed. So that was a short tutorial on how to remove the background from the image in Photoshop. If you find the video helpful, then please like and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.